There is disarray at the CDC tonight as the White House and the health secretary are trying to fire the new CDC director. Susan Monares was just confirmed by the Senate a mere 27 days ago. And like so many officials the Trump administration has tried to fire in recent months, she is refusing to go quietly. Monares is an infectious disease researcher. She was sworn in as one of America's top public health officials by Health Secretary RFK Jr. just last month. So what happened? Well, a source tells NewsNation that the two had a very big argument. Monares was asked to resign and that she refused. The disagreement came after Monares refused to pull approvals for several COVID vaccines and that she resisted moves to change the childhood vaccine schedule for things like hepatitis B and measles and mumps, all under the pressure from RFK Jr. A total of 4 other top CDC officials then resigned in protest after Kennedy ordered Monares out. Three of those people were escorted off CDC premises to a crowd of cheering and applauding colleagues. They are accusing Kennedy of putting, quote, hundreds of millions of American lives at risk and, quote, weaponizing public health for political gain. NewsNation's Joe Khalil is live in Washington with more. Joe, Monares is telling friends that she was asked to sign off on changes that she had said was a red line for her.
Yeah, and I think I just have to start off, Elizabeth, by emphasizing how unusual all of this is, that you would have this kind of shakeup at the Centers for Disease Control just a month into the new director's time. But here we are, Susan Monares on her way out the door for the exact reason that you've just laid out, Elizabeth. They've already got a temporary replacement for her. Jim O'Neill will serve as acting director. He's the number 2 here at Health and Human Services, number 2 only to the Secretary, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. Don't know what O'Neill's views are on vaccines and vaccine policy, but it is going to be important because that is where Monares and Kennedy butted heads in a core, serious way. These differences, obviously, they couldn't get past. Secretary Kennedy talked about this earlier today in really scathing criticism of the CDC as a whole, saying top to bottom, it needs a change. He even said the agency was rife with misinformation. Take a listen.
There's a lot of trouble at CDC, and it's going to require getting rid of some people over the long term in order for us to change the institutional culture and bring back pride and self-esteem and make that agency the stellar agency that it's always been.
All right, Elizabeth, we may even see congressional investigations around these departures and firings.
Yeah, we've had several congressmen call for investigations. Other congressmen have called and senators have called for RFK Jr. himself to be fired and are warning this puts a lot of people's health at risk. The politics would be different, Joe, if this was just talking about COVID vaccines. We're not. We're talking about childhood vaccines that have been used safely and doctors say have saved many lives for decades now.
That's exactly right. Dr. Monares said that the reason, through her attorneys, the reason that she could not move forward, she says she didn't want to rubber stamp policies that removed the approvals of several of these vaccines that she says the medical community has agreed were safe and were effective vaccines. And so that is her big issue. She says she would rather leave than to support and rubber stamp policies she says are just meant to be driving a political agenda here. And that's why she had all of this support from several of her top officials at the CDC as well, even those that came out today and basically said that they're going to follow her lead rather than continue to work there, even though they support the work generally of the CDC.
All right. Something tells me we haven't heard the last of this one. Joe Khalil. Wow, what a story. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe below and download our NewsNation app right now on your phone, and you will get fact-based, unbiased news for all Americans.